Now let's understand some of the standard material types provided by SAP. So we have ROH. ROH material type is used for raw material. So if we need to create any raw material, we will use a material type ROH, which is standard. But if you need to create any custom material type, we can create that too. So I will show you in next slide how to create a material type. So some of the standard material types provided by SAP are ROH, which is raw material, FERT, which is finished material, HLB, semi-finished or work in progress, pipe is pipeline material, LEIH is RTP material, and SCRV is service material. So how to create material type? So the T code to create material type is OMS2. So OMS2 T code controls how the material behaves in system. So in OMS2, as soon as we press OMS2 T code, we have to select copy as function, and we can use standard configuration or standard material type provided by SAP. Suppose we need to create a raw material, then as we know that the standard material type for raw materials is ROH. So we can use ROH as a copy as in OMS2 T code and create our own material type. Also remember this thing, we can use initial letter as Z or Y. So this is suggested by SAP. It is not mandatory but suggested, because in order to differentiate the material between standard material and custom material type, so we can use Z or Y. So let's see in system how to create a material type. So I will log into SAP. So this is the SAP Easy Access screen. So in T code bar we will enter OMS2, which is used for material type creation. See, so these are the already created material types. We will go to position and we will select ROH, which is standard provided by SAP. We'll go to ROH, we'll select this ROH, we'll click on copy as. Here I will enter at ZSWR, any material type which we need, raw material, test, result. Okay, I'll press enter. And see, number of dependent entries copied. That is, our material type has been created. As you can see over here, ZSWR has been created in system. In this way, you can create a material type. Then we'll see how to create a material group. So when we create a material, we require material group. I will show you later while creating material where this material group is used. Okay, so material group can be created using the T code OMSF. Okay, so when we go to T code OMSF, we can select new entries and we can create a material group. So 9 character length is allowed for creation of material group. So we'll see in system directly /n. I will go to SAP Easy Access screen. I will press OMSF, which is used for material group creation. Then I will click on new entries and I will create, let's say, ZMGP material group result, and I will click on save. So the material group has been created in system.
In this way, we have covered both the topics, that is how to create material type and how to create material group. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel SAP Simplified by Prasad. So see you in next video. Bye bye.